guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup and skincare haul. Now I always do hauls on my channel. I love filming hauls. I love watching hauls on YouTube, and I'm always out shopping. I'm always ordering online. So of course I'm going to share with you what I've bought, and obviously then I will be testing out a lot of these products in future videos. So yeah, let's just get started. So I only have one skincare item, and that is makeup wipes. Now I tend to use the face halo every night to wash my makeup off, but sometimes on the odd occasion I'll use makeup wipes, but I also like using wipes for cleaning my face if I've had sun cream on, or if I've just had moisturiser on throughout the day and I haven't worn any makeup, then I won't use the face halo, I'll just use a wipe. So now and then I do use these wipes as well, and these are my favourite ones. They're the simple hydrating cleansing wipes. These are the water boost version. I always repurchase these ones. They are the most hydrating, and in my opinion they do the best job of taking off your makeup, and I think they're about £3.50, but usually with Boots they do a 3 for 2. Okay, moving on to makeup. So my first thing is the Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. I always use these on my channel. I go through these every few months. I'm always repurchasing these, and I think they're about £3.99. And they're just so hydrating. You spray them on your face before you put your makeup on, just to give you that bit of primer and that hydration boost for your skin. I love them so much. I do usually go in with a primer on top. This is just like my primer base. Okay, so I have 3 foundations to mention. So first up I have the number 7 Hydraluminous Moisturising Foundation, and mine is in the shade Porcelain. So I have a few foundations by number 7 which I really love. So I picked up another one. I've never tried this before, so keep an eye out on my channel for a review of this coming up soon. It's like a dewy type foundation. It has SPF 15 and it's medium coverage, but it looks like it might be light coverage, so we'll have to test it out to see. So yeah, keep an eye out for that video coming soon. And then another new foundation that I have is the Maybelline Super Stay Active Wear 30-hour foundation. So I have the Super Stay 24-hour one, but I've never tried the Active Wear 30-hour one. So I'm also going to be testing out this one over the next few weeks, so keep an eye out. And mine is in the shade 01 Alabaster, so I'm sure that's the palest shade that they do. I remember the other Super Stay being extremely full coverage and thick, so I imagine this is going to be the same, just a longer wearing version. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that out as well. I think this was around about £9.99 on Boots. And then I picked up another Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Now I did a review on this on my channel years ago. I love it. I have the shade F1, but it's a tad too dark for me in the winter, so I've gone for the shade F0.2. Now I think they do 0.1, 0.2 and 0.5, and then it goes to 1. So I've gone for the 0.2 shade because I think the 0.5 one was maybe a bit too yellow, so hopefully this one will be okay for me. I'm not going to do a review on this on my channel because I've done one previously, so if you want to check that out, just search for that on my channel. But I really love this foundation. It is extremely full coverage. It's so good. Next up, I picked up a couple of these concealers. These are the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealers. I picked up a few shades. So I have the shade Ivory here, but I also picked up the shade Fair. Now I switch between the two. In the summer I use Fair, in the winter I use Ivory. These are one of my favourite concealers. They're so full coverage, and I love the sponge applicator to apply them as well. So I go through these pretty quickly, but they are quite affordable, so I really love those. Then I picked up some more of the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gels. If you watch my channel, you know I use these all the time. I also go through these probably every few months. For me, I don't do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are naturally this shape and naturally this colour, so I just put a clear eyebrow gel on top just to keep them in place all day, and this is probably the best one that I use, and it's really affordable from Boots as well. So I picked up a couple of those. And also for eyeliner, this is the eyeliner I use in every single video on my channel. I love it so much. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. I also go through these so often because this is my eyeliner that I use every single day without fail. I love it. It's the perfect shade match for me. It's super creamy to apply. I just love it, and also really affordable from Boots. So they also come in tons of different shades. You can get blues, pinks, reds, greens, any colour you want really, but obviously this is my everyday colour. And then the rest are just nail polishes. So I have quite a few nail polishes to share with you. So I picked up a few more of the Essie Gel Couture top coats. Now this is my favourite top coat to use. I use this every time I do my nail polish. It gives you that gel like glossy finish on top of any kind of nail polish. I don't tend to do gel nails very often, so I just do normal nail polish, but when I put this on top it just gives you that gel like finish. I love it so much. I also picked up this Essie nail polish. It's just a regular Essie nail polish, and it's the shade Between the Seats. And it's kind of like a taupey brown shade, very neutral shade. Now the rest are Sally Hansen Insta-Dry nail polishes. So recently I discovered these. The very first shade I bought was this shade, and I fell in love with them. So this is the shade Peachy Breeze. These are dry within a minute. So you apply this on your nails, within a minute it's dry. The darker shades only need 1 coat, the lighter shades take 2. But if you're just looking to do your manicure in like 5 minutes, these are for you. So like I said, this is the shade Peachy Breeze. I also have the shade Pink Blink, which is a pale pink. I also have Cotton Candy, which is more of a coral shade. Then I have Heather Hustle, which is a pale lilac. And the final one I have is White on Time, which is obviously a pure white. And I've been loving using these over the last few weeks, just to give me a quick nail polish. They actually last a long time as well. I've noticed in the past that express dry-in, quick dry-in nail polishes chip easier. These actually don't. These last the week for me. So typically I do my nails once a week. They last 7 days, and these now and then they've chipped, but the majority of the time they've lasted the whole week, which is really good for quick drying nail polishes. But I always top them with this top coat, so maybe it's the top coat that's making it last, so I'm not sure. Now I've forgotten to mention one last thing. I know I said the nail polishes were the last thing, but I forgot about this one. So I actually had this beauty box for free. I think Boots were doing a deal, and they always do these offers. They were doing a deal, spend a certain amount of money on makeup, selected makeup, and you get this as a free gift. Now this is worth over £40, this box, and I've had it for free. So that's really good. So I'm gonna open it up, show you what's inside. Okay, so this is inside the box, everything's falling out. So I have the Maybelline, the Colossal Go Extreme Mascara. Never tried that before, so we'll have to test that out. Then I have an Essie nail polish in the shade Mademoiselle, which I already have. It's just a very pale, almost clear polish. This is really good to do with French manicures. Then I have a Cracked and Broken sleek eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Plaything. It's actually broken all over the packaging, so it's a bit of a mess in here at the moment. I'm just going to leave that in there and I'll clean that up afterwards. Then I have a Rimmel Lasting Radiance finishing powder. Is this a highlight or a regular powder? I'm not actually sure. It looks like it says multi-tone pressed powder, gives you that illuminating finish. I would probably use that as a highlight, not as a powder all over my face. And mine's in the shade 001 Ivory. Then I have this CYO Colour Bronzing Stick. Mine is in the shade Fair / Medium. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I'm not sure about that one. And then I have this Sleek Makeup Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade STFU. And the final thing in here, which I'm actually not going to bring out because it's covered in the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to show you, is the No. 7 Biodegradable Cleansing Wipes. So there's 30 wipes in there, and they're suitable for sensitive skin. So just basically No. 7 face wipes. So yeah, I had that £40 booty box for free. So if you're shopping on the Boots website, keep an eye out for those offers because they're always giving away free things and they're always doing 3 for 2s. So it is worth doing to save you some money or to get some free things. So yeah, that completes my makeup and skincare haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!